Hey beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Genesis. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the beauty family. And if you're an oldie booty goodie, then welcome back, girl. Today's video, it's the time of the month, girl. It is the unboxing of Boxy Charm. As you guys know, I do these every 3 months because I don't want to bore you guys with doing an unboxing every month of a Boxy Charm. So I just decided to accumulate every 3 months. Just go ahead and do an unboxing for you guys. So if you want to see what we got for the month of February, March, and April, then definitely keep on watching. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with the box of February. This is what the box looks like. And let's see what is inside. So this one says Galaxy Glow, and like always, each box has a little pamphlet and it comes with the products that are inside the box, and it comes with the prices and a little description, and sometimes it comes with like directions on how to use the products, how you use them, and whatnot. So we're gonna go ahead and jump in here. I see this Cover FX Shimmer Veil. I saw a lot of people saying like what this was for. So it says, this multi-use shimmering cream colors are crease-proof enough for the boldest of eye looks and formulated with a weightless finish for a shimmering effect anywhere on the face, suitable for all skin types. So this is what we have. This retails for $28 alone. Boxy Charm is $21. So I see this Pure Plumping Lip Exfoliator, which looks like this. Who doesn't love a lip exfoliator? I know I do, because sometimes my lips be crusty, girl. Not gonna lie. And I definitely need an exfoliator. I also see this Vintage Smoky Eye Pencil by Jessica Lipskind. This one is in the color Jet Black, which I feel like you can never have enough of these, because mine, sometimes I lose them or I just run out. So let's see how pigmented she is. Oh, she's actually super pigmented. So there is that right there. She's really pigmented, as you can see. This one is actually $21, and she's really creamy too. I love a creamy black liner. Next we have Crown brushes. This is the 3-piece Pro Trio, which I love receiving brushes in my Boxy Charms, because I feel like you can never have enough brushes, especially if you don't like to constantly wash your brushes, which you should. But if you don't like washing your brushes all the time, then I feel like these really come in handy when you have extra. And these remind me of like the Wet n Wild ones. We also have this Ofra Blush Winter Rose Glow. There is this color. It looks pretty, actually. I can't wait to try this one. And then it came with this Z palettes that you get. I'm glad I got this one, because I have a lot of pans of Ofra actually that I just keep in a little packaging. So I'm happy I received this one, so I can just place the blush like that. I'll show you guys right now. So this is magnetic. It has a back magnetic. You kind of just put it in here. And you kind of just place it like that. It doesn't fall or anything. You kind of can like customize the palette. So that was pretty much February's box. I think my favorite thing is actually that like little Z palette, and then brushes, because you can never have enough brushes, and then the lip exfoliator. Next we're gonna go ahead and go to the March box. This one is Vacation. How cute is that? So the first thing I see here is a blush. This one is in the shade Make Them Blush by Pretty Vulgar. The packaging though is everything. This is a shade here. It's like a pale pink. I actually like this shade. What I've been doing actually for my Boxy Charms, like whatever makeup I know I'm not going to use, I just put it to the side, and I'm like building up for a giveaway for you guys on my Instagram. So if you guys do not follow me on Instagram, then you definitely should. I always put my handles on the screen, so make sure you guys follow me on there, because I am going to be having a giveaway pretty soon. You better not miss out, girl. You better follow me. Next, I see this Double Decker Mascara by Butter London. This is what the box looks like. And let's go ahead and open her up. This is Drama Double. 200% thicker lashes, 342% increase in lash and curl. Oh, this thing is fat. This thing is actually pretty big. Let's see what the wand looks like. This is what the wand looks like, you guys. I actually like it. I don't like that it's like a fat wand. Because I don't really like fat wands because I feel like they don't really do much for my lashes. So I'm excited to try this one out because I've actually been wanting to find a good mascara. So if you guys know of any, let me know in the comments down below because I'm in the hunt for a good mascara. Because usually to work, I don't really wear falsies. I like just to wear mascara because it's easy. Next, I see eye gel packs. It says reduces puffiness, reduces dark circles, and moisturizes eye area, which that is a lot to claim. Reduces dark circles, you say. I gotta try these out because your girl has bad under eye circles. So we got these. We'll see. I'll keep you updated to see if I like these or not. And last but not least, I see a little palette here. This is from Pure. This is what it looks like. Look at these shades, guys. This is so pretty. So that is what I got in the March box. I actually like it. It's nice. I think my favorite thing was the blush, and then second runner-up is the mascara. So last but not least, we have our month of April. Right off the bat, I see this vacuum cleaner by Dr. Brandt. I feel like his stuff is really, really good, and it's really pricey. Next, I see the Brow Gal Tonya Crooks Brow Gel. So I'm excited for this one too. I see brushes. Again, brushes are a plus because I feel like you can never have enough brushes. Oh, and look, these are so cute. These come with like little diamonds. Do not judge my nails because I suck at painting my nails. That's why I get my nails done. Do not judge them. I know they're like all ugly. Girl, I know. You don't gotta tell me. Don't judge me. Next, I see this eyeshadow palette. I'm guessing it's an eyeshadow. Yeah, shadow palette. It's from ColourPop. And it says Element of Surprise. So let's go ahead and open her up. So this looks like it's already been swatched. If you guys see this color right here, it looks like it's already been swatched. It's even like a little dirty right here on the pan. But this is what this palette is looking like. I probably wouldn't even give this one away just because it already looks swatched. Like, even if I won't use it, I'd probably give it to someone else because I don't want someone to think that I'm giving them used makeup because I'm not. And last but not least, I see a MAC lipstick. Ooh, I'm excited for this one. This was in the shade Burnt Violet. Let's go ahead and swatch her. Oh, she's pretty. That is that color right there, you guys. What do you guys think? She's cute. Oh, whatever. That is it, you guys. So that is pretty much it for my 3-month of Ipsy unboxing. Let me know down below what was your favorite box. For me, I think it has to be... Oh, it's hard. It's in between February and March, between those two. I like bits and pieces from both of them. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, you guys. If you guys are interested in subscribing to BoxyCharm, I honestly really recommend it. I think it's a great way to build your makeup collection and also a great way to try new products because some of these products, like, I have never heard of or I wouldn't think to buy. So I think with these kind of subscriptions, I think it's great to be able to kind of venture out to like new products, stuff like that, try out new things. And buy and like try things that you normally wouldn't think of buying, if that makes sense. So I definitely recommend this subscription. I've had Ipsy before. At first I liked it, but then I decided to cancel it because I would always get sample sizes and I would always get like unnecessary things that I really didn't need. So I decided to move over to BoxyCharm, and I've been with BoxyCharm for quite some time now. I haven't had a problem. None of my stuff has ever come broken, and then for some people, some other stuff breaks. But you guys are witnesses that I have not opened any of these boxes, and every time I open them, nothing is broken or I never have any issues. So I definitely recommend the subscription. Like I said, it's only $21 and your box always values more than $21. So I really recommend it. Enough of me babbling. That is pretty much it for this video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to be part of the beauty family. We're almost to 900. Can you guys believe that? started from the bottom, now we're here. I know for some of you guys it's like 900 is like nothing compared to other YouTubers. To me, honestly, it's like a huge accomplishment. So if you're not subscribed and you're watching this video, girl, what is you doing? You better subscribe so you can become part of the beauty family, of course, if you want to. And if you're already a loyal subscriber, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I really appreciate, and I know I always tell you guys this, but it's so true. I really appreciate you guys. Next thing you know, we're gonna be hitting 1,000. Whoop whoop, which I am gonna be doing a big giveaway for 1,000 subscribers. But yeah, that is pretty much it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll go ahead and catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.